Problem 1. A train leaves city A at 8 a.m. traveling towards city B at 80 kilometers divided by h. Another train leaves city B at 9 a.m. traveling towards city A at 100 kilometers divided by h. The distance between the cities is 410 kilometers. At what time will the trains meet? Option A, 10:30 a.m. Option B, 11 a.m. Option C, 11:30 a.m. Option D, 12 p.m. You have 10 seconds. Problem 2. Observe the pattern. 1 right pointing arrow 3. 2 right pointing arrow 7. 3 right pointing arrow 13. 4 right pointing arrow 21. What does 7 right pointing arrow? Option A, 57. Option B, 55. Option C, 53. Option D, 51. You have 10 seconds.